Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to unblock a website on Mac. So if you have manually blocked a website while using never allowed list, you can remove that restriction at any time. This is especially useful if you have blocked a website temporarily or simply change your mind later. Once the website is removed from the block list, Safari will no longer block it because of your custom restriction, although it may still be affected by other web content settings if they applied. So if you like to unblock the site, then click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to screen time. Here, content and privacy. After that, enable the toggle right to content and privacy. Now go to App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now click on the drop down menu right to access to web content and make sure to choose limit adult websites. After that, click on this customize button and you can see a restricted section. Under that, you can see the list of websites you have restricted. So select the website you want to unblock and then click on this minus icon. And then finally click on done to remove it from the list. And that's it. The website has been removed from the never allowed list and will no longer be blocked by your custom website restrictions. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel.